Hello everyone. I am here to bring you my make for a challenge that Carrie over at Double Click Connect, who makes the dewdrops, is having. And the themes were either to be St. Patrick's Day or Easter, and green and yellow were the colors to use. So the other day I was digging through, I have a sweater box full of fabric, and you'll see a different project later, a week from now or so. Um, well, a week and a half. Anyway, different fabric. So I found this in there. I didn't even know I had, and it has a bunny and eggs and a basket and flowers, and so it's sort of like spring and Easter combined to me because of the basket. And there's an egg on here somewhere. Yeah, egg down here. So I cut a piece out and I cut some of these images out. And that was my starting point for my project. And my project is going to be something that I just keep for me. And it's the background of it was a Recollections flat card, 5x7 flat card. No, it doesn't fold. I did use this bunny, and I used one die, I think the small one. I think I might have lost an egg. Anyway, I use this stamp set a lot. This is a retired, no, this is current, but it's probably, I'm guessing, going to retire at the end of April. 23-24 annual catalog now, called Easter Bunny. I love this font of this Happy Easter, but I also use the eggs, the bird, the carrot, the butterfly, and It's a New Day. I didn't use the bunnies in here because I used this bunny. It was smaller. These are bigger, and I needed a smaller bunny. Anyway, I did use some of Carrie's dewdrops in yellow and green. And I used a scrap of paper. It was this on one side, but I used this side, and that became the background for my card front. I'm not going to send it as a card. It's going to go in my journal. And I found this scrap and just used this to stamp some of those sentiments on. I found this Offray little flower, white flower trim. I used some of that. And I used washi. These two, which if you watched my planner, you would see these in there too for this week. And I only used this one here, and it's sort of tucked behind something. And I used these fringe scissors. And I used Fabri-Tac, art glitter glue, and this stuff. Tombow Mono multi-liquid glue. Okay. So here's what I did. I haven't done anything on the back yet. I'm probably going to just put a different piece of paper on it that's writable. And actually, I was thinking of putting this one sheet of bunny tablet on, but it's torn and it's too big. So I might just fold that over or cut around, or I don't know. I'm not sure what I'm doing with the back yet, but it's going in my journal. So these are the fabric pieces. We have the bunny and friends, bees, butterfly, baby butterfly, flowers, basket, egg, and plant. So underneath here are two strips of this, because I thought maybe some of the white could peek through. You're not going to be able to see it. And then on top of those, I have 2 layers of the Hobby Lobby washi. I just got the white one behind these pieces. And this is all just that scrap of paper. It was a pretty big scrap, and it fit on here. Plus I have this strip left, which I put in my box for my purple journal because I thought I could use that as a page border or something. I don't know yet. uh, okay. Here's I stamped Happy and Easter. I fussy cut it out and cut it apart and put it on either side. I stamped the carrot and colored it and fussy cut it. I stamped a little robin instead of a blue jay and fussy cut that. Same with the bunny, and these were 3 eggs, but this one was a little further apart, so I separated them and kind of tucked them into the grass like they're being hidden for an Easter egg hunt. And this is the little butterfly, which I need to re-glue. And here's where I stamped "It's a New Day" on that same scrap paper here. And I thought I originally was going to die cut Happy and Easter. I couldn't find my set to have the dies for that, so I just stamped it and fussy cut. That one I glued down, and this is the sky washi, 3 layers of it for the clouds, because I wanted the flying things to be, look like they're in the sky, kind of. And then, let's see, anything else? Oh, the fringe scissors, of course, here I used on another strip of that scrap paper that I layered on top. And um, the lighter looking of these are actually the green ones. This one, and this one, and this one. I put them down with glue dots, by the way, mini glue dots. And then these, that sort of look green because the green is reflecting through. These are yellow ones, actually. This one. These 4 are yellow. And then this, and this are green. But it doesn't look green on the yellow there, does it? Anyway, you get the idea. Yeah, so that's it. And I just have to back. Um, Fabri-Tac is a wonderful glue. It holds really well. However, I was using this thing and then I forgot I had glue on it, so I started to smooth it down on the front with the finger thing, and I had to take it off, but there's a little bit of glue that got on the front. And I thought I got it all, but apparently not. Anyway, um, yeah. So let me know what you think. I don't know that I'd send that to anybody. I felt like a kid, like a third-grade kid or something, just cutting up stuff. It was fun. It was something different. Um, yeah. But Bunny just seemed like he was lost, so that's why I put him on a egg. Oh, and this is Stampin' Up's Lemon Lolly color cardstock, in case anyone wants to know. I think that's about it. And the white card base was in a Recollections flat card and envelopes pack. And I'm using that. I need to get my art glitter glue. My butterfly is coming apart. Just need to put a little dab of glue back there. It has, what do you call those things? It's bumped up on mini dimensionals, but the actual paper of the butterfly, I think, is starting to come apart, which is weird. Anyway, there we go. I hope you have a great day, and this is my entry for Double Click Connect. Happy Easter. Sort of a collage scene project with fabric and paper and washi tape. Something different. All right, everyone. Have a great day. Have a great week, and I will talk to you again probably tomorrow. See you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.